using a thin bladed knife. Cut a section with the knife, and using an instrument, pry off the pieces of putty. Do this until all putty is gone. Repeat on the second putty matrix. Here we have a completed injected clasp. Notice the button of material on the lingual side. That is from the vent hole that you created earlier.
Okay.
Finishing. Finish and contour the clasps to the desired length and thickness. Now remove the partial from the model. Most of the time, the partial will come off with very little stone model breakage. Here's an example of the burrs that work best for finishing the clasps. First, using CDM Dental's diamond disc burr, remove the spurred material. Remove the button material from the lingual side. Now shape the clasp to your desired thickness and flexibility. See the gap between the clasp and the model. This allows the acrylic or other material to flow smoothly when processing the final partial. Polishing. To polish thermoplastic resins, you can use pumice traditionally, or a much faster way shown here using CDM Dental's polishing kit. These are rubber brushes embedded with different levels of abrasives. Start with the most abrasive, the yellow, and end with the least, green, and finishing with a rag wheel and CDM Dental's fine scratch remover. The yellow is probably the most important of all the brushes. You need to work with the yellow until all major scratches are removed. As you go through using the red to blue to green, quickly you will see with each the finish getting better. Finally, using the rag wheel and CDM Dental's fine scratch remover, this will give it a glass-like high shine. Here is a complete partial with attached vanish clasps.